Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La 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 la, oh oh oh. La 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 la, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing this face, please endeavor to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for your views. And today is Monday, and I'm actually happy that I'm starting this vlog on a Monday, because the last two vlogs that I've done, I didn't start them on a Monday. But yeah, today is Monday. It's almost 4 p.m. and I've been sleeping, or I've been trying to sleep, and now I'm just waking up. I'm gonna be doing skincare. I'm trying on this face mask set that I got from the drugstore, from Shoppers. That was like 2 weeks ago, or was it 3 weeks ago that I got this? Like, if you watched like my vlog 3 weeks ago, then you know where this came from. So it's Christmas week and I'm actually excited. I'm using my foaming facial cleansers, CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, but not sponsored. And I usually just use one pump. One pump is enough because this is very thick. Yeah, as I was saying, it's Christmas week and I'm excited for the week. Christmas is one of my favorite seasons in the year. I'm very happy, but I'm feeling very, very nostalgic. When I was growing up, when I was still living in Nigeria with my parents, when it's coming close to Christmas, we had a lot going on. We would do like decorations, and then around this time we would start doing the whole cooking, Christmas preparations, and you know, all of that. We'll fry chin-chin, we'll do some pastries, just like getting things ready. It was stressful, don't get me wrong. The work was actually very stressful. Frying chin-chin, doing this one, washing all the curtains, sweeping everywhere, cleaning, you know, like killing chicken and all of those things. We usually started the week of Christmas to do it. And sometimes we would all go to the village for Christmas. Christmas in the village was very sweet, not even going to lie. Everybody would come to the village, we'll all spend Christmas in the village, we'll all play and do all whatnot. There were a lot of knockouts, a lot of bangers. Here in the abroad, you can't do knockouts, you can't do bangers. For someone will come and call police for you. And we had all those uncles and aunties that would give us money though. They'll dash us money. Like, it was just all fun. I'm kind of reliving all those memories that I had of my Christmas during my childhood. I'm feeling very nostalgic. Everybody's all grown. Nobody really goes to the village as often as before. Some are still in Nigeria. A good number of my family relations are no longer living in Nigeria. I miss like Christmas with family. There's just that added, I don't know, that added vibe when you're spending Christmas with family as opposed to just spending Christmas alone and all you do is just go to work and come back and sleep. My toner, La Roche-Posay. But yeah, you know, I wish I could travel for Christmas though. I really do wish I could travel somewhere for Christmas, but unfortunately that's not even possible at this time. So I'm just going to make do by doing the things that interest me. I'm just going to like apply this gold sheet mask. It's Selfcare, so okay, so this is the way the mask looks. Smells kind of rosy. Check the packaging. I'm gonna actually separate this and take this off. I have the right side, so I like the cool feeling that I have on my face. I have the sheet mask on, can't talk.
Of Lagos.
Holy Father, you're screaming.
Look at me in my feelings. I be Adam. Father's got enough feeling. Holy Father, Holy Father. Numbers two verse two. I can look at the book of Chuta. So we let the I will.
Face drop for me. I wanna take a picture so this can last longer for me. Yes, I believe I'm fighting fire like a thief with killer knees. Just when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. My baby bad, my baby cool, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, so you never kill my man, no.
Baby, no sacrifices. Everything was taken, still have to make it.
Bye, killer, me I don't go take shit.
Yeah, you know me one time that. All I am is shorty go down. Easy takes me down Snapchat, sexy snap. Looking for your private story. Let me see you in your full glory. Anything I want, you show me.
Minutes it's up.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
Skin, y'all. Who is this, y'all? So I'm having dinner, rice and veggies with animal inside. I'm so used to like always eating and wanting to watch something, so I'm going to be watching this movie. Yep.
It's memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you.
Hi, hey guys. So man, I'm a fine girl. Woo! I love the way I am looking. Hi guys, so today it's currently 7:03 and I'm having a, should we call this one dinner? Usually, what are we going to call this one? Dinner, lunch. Well, it's 4:30, right? So anyway, we have a reservation at 4:30 at this place that we are checking out. It's a seafood restaurant, so I guess maybe I'll call it dinner. But yeah, I'm going out, hanging out with the girls, with Eziolu and with Titi. So I'm so happy. I love the way I'm looking. Like, you cannot tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing very soon.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment.
Hi everyone. Hey guys. So it's been a minute. This is still Christmas week. I told myself that I was going to do a full weekly vlog, so I was going to vlog every day. So I vlogged on Monday and then I vlogged on Tuesday. The last time you guys saw me was actually on Tuesday, which was the day that we went to hang out, me with Eziolu and Titi. We all went to hang out at that seafood place and we ate lobster and crabs and all of those things. Today is Friday. My plans were actually scattered because I felt sick. I've been sick with diarrhea for the past 2 days. It started at the restaurant on Tuesday. While I was in the restaurant, while I was still eating, I started having stomach upset, but I was like, you know, don't though it's really nothing. Maybe it's because I hadn't eaten that day. It started right at that restaurant, and then by the time I got home from our girls' night out, that was when everything just started. I've been having like really bad cramps and diarrhea up until Thursday. So throughout Wednesday was bad. Thursday was a bit better. I am actually a lot better than I was in the past 2 days. Yes, you guessed right. The cause of the diarrhea is actually, I suspect, 95% suspect that it is from the seafood restaurant, from the lobster and the crab. That was my first time trying all of those things, and you know, the way my body system is, I am very, very hypersensitive. I like trying new things out. Don't get me wrong. I feel like I can be spontaneous, and I like trying new things out. But then, honestly speaking, I just don't know what happened. I was enjoying myself. I had a good experience, but I guess my stomach had other plans. My stomach was just, I was just there enjoying myself. My brain, my heart, my soul was enjoying. But my stomach was like, ew, what is this?
Oh my God. What is that?
I didn't really go anywhere after Tuesday. I didn't go anywhere because it snowed. So we had consistent snow for the past 24 hours. I don't know if this will qualify as a snowstorm. Maybe, I don't know, but it's been snowing since Tuesday evening when we had the hangout. It's been snowing since Tuesday evening up until, it didn't stop snowing until Thursday. So it snowed throughout Wednesday, and then it snowed on Thursday as well. And yeah, so snowstorm, and I didn't go out. I just wanted to stay at home and rest and try and recover, drink a lot of fluids, because anyway, I feel a lot better now, so I didn't vlog. But today's Friday. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everybody. So right now I am at Titi's place. I have to do a Christmas photo shoot today, this afternoon. It's 12:26, almost 12:30. I'm kind of late because I took my time driving, just because, you know, in winter you have to take your time driving, otherwise you find yourself sliding so much on the road. But yeah, so I just got here now. I'm going to go inside. Those are my softbox lights, and over here these are all my camera gear that I'm going to use for the photo shoot. I also brought my computer because I am probably going to edit some pictures. It's supposed to be like a family photo shoot. My cup is kind of full for today.
The parents were fine, but the daughter
Hey guys, so
she was just doing like daughter of Jezebel.
do you know what? I wanted to put my camera, so like I said I was going to do a family photo shoot for Titi and her family, and I came here, set everything up. I was going to actually film myself setting everything up. I just completely forgot. And now now the photo shoot is over. I'm just like, I didn't even video it. Jordan dusted. Hey God, oh, I forgot. How is it possible that I could have forgotten?
Gabrielle's fault. Gabrielle, come and show yourself on YouTube. Say, oh, hey guys, it's my fault.
But anyway, so I want to start editing some pictures. Hi Gabby.
Say, hey guys, it's my fault that Auntie Dominique couldn't do her vlog. Show your face, show how guilty you are. So, oh, I look so guilty. You look guilty. She's like, no, I'm not guilty.
The way she's just staring. I'm about to start editing now anyway. Okay, so I have my computer here. I want to edit a few pictures and send it to them or deliver it before I go. I'm just waiting for my software to update. I use Adobe Lightroom. To edit, and this is my camera. This is actually my professional photography camera. This is what I use. So this is Canon and 24mm lens for portrait pictures, and yeah, and that's it. yes, before I forget, I really want to appreciate you guys for watching my videos, for liking, for subscribing, and for sharing my videos. Thank you so much. This is actually going to be my last video for the year 2021, and it's my 50th video as well. Anyway, so I really appreciate all of you guys who have watched, who have liked, who have subscribed. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be where I am today without your views and without your support and your encouragement. And thank you so much. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon.